Hello and welcome to the C lecture. Every time we are following 3 steps to run the program. That is Alt F9, Control F9 and Alt F5. Now here we have one function of Conio.h, that is getCH, get character. Get character function will take one character from the keyboard as an input. Means, if we are not pressing any key from the keyboard, the control will not pass to the next statement. So, in between of the running of the program, we can view the output. Now, no need to follow 3 steps. Directly, we can use Control F9. Let us see. Control F9 and here is the output. No need to press Alt F9 for compiling because Control F9 will compile the program and the getCH function will not pass control to the next statement, so we can see output also. Now onwards we will use these 2 files and these many functions into the whole programs. Thank you.